Hello, we're on lesson 139 for arithmetic. Look at letter A. 0 minus 9, you need to borrow. You can't borrow from the 0, borrow from the 7. What does the 7 become? A 6. What does this 0 become? A 10. Now, I can borrow from this 10, make it a 9, to make this 0 a 10. 10 minus 9 equals 1. 9 minus 9 equals 0. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 1 minus 5 equals, borrow from the 5. The 5 becomes what? A 4. What does this 1 become? An 11. 11 minus 5 equals 6. 4 minus 0 equals 4. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Let me just make that darker there. 2 minus 9 equals, borrow from this neighbor. This 2 becomes a 1. This 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 9 equals 3. 1 minus 5 equals, you can't do that. You have to borrow from this 8. The 8 becomes what? A 7. This 1 becomes what? An 11. 11 minus 5 equals 6. 7 minus 5 equals 2. When I look at numbers like these, it's a lot to take in. I like to make groups of 10. I like to look for a 10. And what two numbers here make a 10? 8 plus 2 equals 10. So that makes it easier for me. 10 plus 7 equals 17. 17 plus 3 equals 20. So put the 0 down here and the 2 up here. Once again, can we find a 10? 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. So we have the answer of 190. Can we make a 10 here? 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. Can we make a 10? Yes, we can. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And 9 plus 1 equals 10. So we have 10, 20, 24. Let's try that again. Let's only make one 10 here. It's always good to check yourself and make sure, because the numbers can get all jumbled up. We want to be certain. So, once again, let's do 9 plus 1 equals 10. We can get rid of the 9 and the 1. So we have 10. And then 10 plus 2 is 12. Plus 8 is 20. Plus 4 is 24. So we are correct. Always good to check. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. Let's see. I don't see any 10s here. Oh, but 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Whoa, that 8 looks a little strange. There we go. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Why do I cross these out as I do them? Because if I don't cross them out, I might accidentally add one of them 2 times, or I might accidentally forget one of them. So I want to make sure I add everything. C, we need to find out what is the perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the whole way around the outside of a shape. Let's pretend this is 10 inches and this is 7 inches. Do we add 10 plus 7? Is that how we find perimeter? No. No, we have to add this side and this side also. How much would this side be? Well, this side would be the same length as this side because it's a rectangle. So this side would be 10 as well. And how much would this side be? 7. Because this side and this side would be the same length. So we would have 10 plus 10 equals 20. 20 inches plus 7 plus 7 equals 14 inches equals. Remember, we have 4 ones and 0 ones equal 4 ones. And we have 2 ones and or 2 tens and 1 10 equals 3 tens. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 2 plus 1 equals 3 for the perimeter of 34 inches. Remember, 10 plus 10 equals 20. 7 plus 7 equals 14. We made sure we had all the sides of the shape, and then we add them together to get the perimeter. Go ahead and do your class work and see work for lesson 139.